In today's video, I am going to teach you how to lock a to-do list in Basecamp. We are going to do this from inside a Basecamp project using the to-dos area. Locking a to-do list is helpful when you want to stop changes, keep the list consistent, and make sure people only view the work instead of editing it. This is especially useful after a list is finalized, approved, or ready to share without ongoing updates. To begin, open your project in Basecamp and go to the To-Dos section. This is where Basecamp stores your to-do lists, along with all of the tasks inside them. Once you are in To-Dos, find the specific to-do list you want to lock. Select that list to open it. You will now be looking at the to-do list details, including the tasks and the list settings. Next, look near the top area of the list for the visibility and access message. In many projects, you will see a line that explains who can see the list, such as a note that the to-do list is private to your team. Right alongside that message, there is an option to change the setting. Click the Change option. This opens the controls where you can adjust how the list is shared and who has access to it. This is where you can set the list so it is locked down and not open for edits. Take a moment to read what is shown on this screen, since Basecamp will usually make it clear whether the list can be edited or whether it is restricted. From here, click the highlighted control on the page to apply the lock. Then click the next highlighted control to confirm the updated setting. These two clicks finalize the change, so the to-do list is locked as intended. After you do that, you can return to the to-do list and verify that the privacy or access message reflects the updated state. If you are working with a team, it is also a good idea to let them know the list is now locked so they understand why they cannot make changes. That covers everything you need to know.